Election material required at polling station. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. In this video, we will learn about the election materials required at polling station. These are control unit, 1 number, ballot unit, depending upon the number of candidates, VVPAT, 1 number, marked copy of electoral roll, 3 numbers, list of classified service voters, if any, 1, ASDR electors, if any, 1, ballot papers for tendered votes, 20, green paper seal, 4, special tag, 3 number, pink paper seal for sealing the special plastic box for mock poll slips, 2 number, strip seal, 3 number, register of voters, form 17A, 1 number, address tag for control unit, 5 number, address tag for ballot unit, 4 number, address tag for VVPAT, 4 number, copy of list of contesting candidates, 1 number, photocopy of specimen signature of contesting candidates or election agent, 1 number, distinguishing mark rubber stamp, 1 number, inedible ink, 2 files of 10 cc each, voter slip, actual requirement, rubber stamp arrow cross mark, 1 number, stamp pad, 1 number, brass seal for presiding officer, 1 number, matchbox, 1 number, voter facilitation posters, 4 number, list of important phone numbers, 1 number, list of vulnerable locations, 1 number, cardboard size printed sample of EVM ballot unit, 1 number, plastic box for containing mock poll slips, 1 number, general stationery items, actual requirement, presiding officer check memo, 1 number, notice specifying the polling area and the particular of electors to be served by polling stations, 1 number, copy of the pledge to be pasted inside the voting compartment, 1 number, form 10, appointment letters of polling agents, 1 number, list of challenge votes, form 14, 2 number, list of blind and infirm voters, form 14A, 2 number, list of tendered votes, form 17B, 2 number, account of votes recorded, form 17C, 10 number, record of voter seals used, 2 number, receipt box for deposit of challenge votes fee, 1 book, letter to SHO, 1, presiding officer's diary, 1 number, list of contesting candidates, 1 number, poll day report of presiding officer, part 1, 2 and 3, 2 set, declaration by the presiding officer before the commencement of poll and at the end of poll, part 1 to part 4, 2 number, declaration by elector about his age, 5 number, list of electors who voted after giving declaration or refused to give declaration, 4 number, declaration by the companion of blind and infirm voter, 10 number, entry passes for polling agents as per requirement. Format for presiding officer's additional 16-point report to be submitted to constituency observer or returning officer, 1 number, visitor sheet, 2 number, receipts of return of election records and materials after the poll, 2 number, Commission's order of identification of electors through alternate documents, 1 number, PS05, that is voter turnout report, 1 number, 16-point observer report, 1 number. Now we will see various envelopes required at the polling station. For smaller envelopes, statutory covers SE8, 1 number, for marked copy of electoral rolls, 1, for other copies of electoral rolls, 1, for tendered ballot papers and tendered voter list, 1, for declaration of presiding officer before and after the poll, 1, for accounts of votes recorded, form 17C, 1, list of challenged votes, 1, for unused and spoiled paper seals, 1, for appointment letters of polling agents, 1, for list of blind and infirm voters, 1, for presiding officer's diary, 1, for election duty certificate, 1, for receipt book and cash forfeited, 1, for declaration of companions, 1, For smaller envelopes, others 1. For register of voters having signature of voters 1. For other relevant papers 1. For smaller envelopes 1. Cover for presiding officer's brief record under the Rule 41. Plain envelopes 2. Plain envelopes SC8 3. For unused ballot papers 1. For any other paper that the RO has decided to keep in the sealed cover 1. Cover for unused and damaged special text 1. Cover for unused and damaged strip seal 1. In this video, we have learned about the items required by the presiding officer at the time of polling. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on election related material, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.